Whoa. We just casting out there now. We just casting. We just casting. We just casting. We got this whole flounder today. We got some flounder. Yeah. That's how we do. That's how we do. Jacob Island Pier. Big white out there, boy. Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all see him. Y'all see that white right there. Y'all see him. Yeah. Look at this man got this little tiny fish on this 9-foot pole. Look at him. Okay, this man got him more whiting for the day. Yeah. He out here was just casting today. Yeah. Nice day out here on the water. I got him from the very bottom. Oh yeah. If I don't catch nothing else, I'm gonna eat some whiting. I'm running my whiting right here. White ends.